Welcome to the standard 5th students. Welcome to chapter 10 remote control kit. Open the page 71. Open the page 71. There was a small family. There was a small family. Boy, girl, father and mother. Boy name is Tony. Tony was very wicked. So his father thought a plan. What plan? Now I am going to tell. So first of all, the word meaning. Word meaning, launch. L-O-U-N-G. Launch means lie and sit in the relaxed manner. Lie and sit in the lie or sit in a relaxed manner. Then microchip, small type of chips, and that circuit used in the electronics. Then delicious means tasty. Then off stage, not in the stage, but visible to the audience. Then shallow, by chewing, then shallow. Shallow means go down your throat inside the stomach. That is called the food we take and shallow it to the stomach. That shallow means the food go down through the throat and inside the stomach. That is called shallow. Then choking, blocking, choke, block. Then mourning, crying. Mourning is crying. Then fussing, F-U-S-S-I-N-G. A time when people behave in excited. That is called fussing. Then teases, to make fun to someone else. That is the word meaning of this chapter. Then go through the chapter. Chapter is about a family, boy and girl and his parents. They are remaining in a family. Boy is a very wicked one, very notorious. So his father thought a plan how to control his boy. So when there was busy in wars, all the family members, Tony was a boy, always gobbling sweets. Gobbling means eating quickly. Gobbling, G-O-B-B-L-I-N-G. Gobbling means eating very speedily. Gobbling sweets, and sister was watching TV. His mom was in the kitchen and his dad was trying to fix a remote control for him. Tony's father told Tony to hold a microchip. Take one microchip and you hold it. But in the holding time, the Tony was eating, gobbling. Gobbling means seriously taking. One by one. Taking the sweets. At that time, his father gave the chips to Tony. Tony, by mistakenly, out of taking sweets, he has swallowed the microchip inside the stomach. His father was wanting that, because when a chips will go to, when when the heart surgery of heart, any inside operation will the microchip is going to detect what the disease will be, to know what is going on in the inside the body. So it will clearly visible to the doctor in that open screen in that operation room. So one microchip will send through the inside the a teeny particle. a tiny circuit of the electronics part. So when his father told him that you keep it, then you will give it to me. After that you will give it to me when I will told you. Then when his father was giving a chips, uh, by mistakenly he has swallowed the microchip inside the belly. All will terrible, but his father was not terrible, father not horrible in that moment. So while eating the sweets the next day, Tony's dad bought a remote and went to test it. The chips was in his Tommy's stomach. It was somehow fixed in that body. So Tony's sister noticed that when dad was pressing to play, then Tony starts playing. Okay, when one switch will press it, then Tony starts playing here and there, here and go. When it will stop it, then his playing was stopped due to the remote control, and that chip is in his belly, in his stomach, inside the body. That chip was there, and when the dad was pressing the stop key, then Tony stops playing. Then whole family was amazed to seeing that scenery. Then why the Tommy was roaming hither and thither when the switch is on, when the remote control switch is on, then he was going to play. When it is off, when remote control switch is off, then he stop. His playing was stopped. So whole family was amazed. Whole family was amazed with that scene. What the Tommy was doing, now what he is doing. So all the family was astonished by the behavior of the Tony. Tony's mother told that we got a remote control kid. How? Now there will be no problem in the house or also in the school. Whatever he will make any trouble, then we will press the on key. Switch on to the remote control. Switch on to the remote control. Then everything will stop. Whatever the activity is going on by the Tonys, then it will be stopped. So Tony's notorious activity will be stopped by this microchip which was inside his body. Okay, it will not be damaged. That chip will not be damaged. It will inside his body, and it is active to the fellow and deactive in the time of the remote control. So it is all about the remote control key. So all the answers has already sent in the WhatsApp group in the PDF file. So you should remember this and write down in the assignment copy, send it to the school. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.